Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Wix website's footer. So first, this is the footer itself. As you can see right in the top right corner, it says footer. So if you want to edit it, first you can drag and drop this. So it will tell us that we can adjust the footer height or double click to remove any extra space above, but basically we can enlarge this, make it smaller, so on and so forth. So that's one way of changing the footer in or on our Wix website. Another way of how we can change this, we can click on quick edit and it's gonna look like this. It's gonna give us a different view, but basically we can make it as big as we want or as small as we want. And then if we go back right here, we will also be able to see the footer settings option. So if we click on footer settings, we can freeze it. So now it won't be able to be moved, and we can actually read what a frozen footer is. Or if we want to click on more actions, we can change the footer design itself altogether. So we can choose a different color. We can customize it. We can edit this footer however we would like. And also I'm just going to click on the three dots once more. And right here we can actually quick edit. Like I said, we can play with the settings and you get all of the options that we just previously mentioned and went through. But this is how you do it. I'm just going to change the design once more. We can also customize the design. So we can do like a gradient here. We can do a background if we want. We want to add or play around with the transparency. We can also add a border. As you can see, I just added a border to my footer. We can also add a bottom border as well, which is going to look like this. And that's pretty much it. That's how you change the footer on your Wix website. So now it looks like this. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.